Welcome back, Proppers. Just a quick video of the unboxing of my mannequin for my full samurai build. This guy was purchased on Amazon for a mere $52. Unfortunately, the shipping was just as expensive. Even with the combined pricing, it was more affordable than some lower quality units that were available. The unit came well packed and was very easy to assemble. And that's a good thing, because the sheet that came with it said, "Follow all assembly instructions." But alas, there were no instructions included. What made this unit more desirable was that it had some articulation in the arms and one leg, as well as a removable head that had full facial features. It came with a very inobtrusive stand that connected to one of the legs. The individual sections were connected by a single quarter twist. I did have some concerns about the height of the unit. Maybe I should have bought the child size. But as usual, we will work with the conditions that exist. I'm very happy with the limited range of motion that he has to move around a little bit here. Head can turn a little bit also. The only thing is, I think they said this thing was 71 inch, and I was a little apprehensive about it being that tall, since I believe I read that the average samurai was somewhere around 5'7". But I thought, okay, we got away with it anyway. But this guy is giant. He's taller than me. And so I'm not sure how well I'm going to translate it to samuraism. But maybe we'll say that he's Yasuke, you know? I think Yasuke was 6'1", so as the tallest samurai, because of course he was African. And the only issue I'm going to have, I guess, is that it's going to take a lot more material than I thought at first to take care of this big giant guy. He's a good looking guy. I hate to cover up his face, but hey guy, you're going into battle, you can't be looking this good, you know? Somebody will take advantage of you. Oh. Well, this is the start. As always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, press that like button, and press the bell notification so you'll be notified as each individual segment of this build is uploaded.